Hi, it's Todd Howard with Blake Real Estate, and welcome to 221 Short Street here in downtown Safety Harbor, Florida. The home was built in 1919 and is an historic landmark. The home is situated just a block and a half off of Main Street, which puts you within a short walk to all the great restaurants, bars, Safety Harbor Spa, and really the overall lifestyle that living in downtown Safety Harbor brings. The home is situated on a double lot, has a beautiful pool, jacuzzi that overflows into the pool, and there's actually a detached bed and breakfast. Can't wait to show it to you. Let's go have a look. That is all today for 221 Short Street here in Safety Harbor, Florida. If you're the type of buyer that is looking for something that is very unique, something that somebody else does not own, this might just be the property for you. If you do have interest in this property, feel free to reach out. Todd Howard, Blake Real Estate, 727-614-3296. And don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.